Empenifo se abode de agya kwa yenya nokwa. Enti enam eniamo ho a Ralph the Filiganen ebedi kire sebe asanteman ema okasete ayewura no. All this year of the reason show. Any TikTokers abe clash with Ralph the Filiganen. In fact, Omato to be pa Edamande se mu adia. Enye yewura anim eno be kire ne nkwase ade. Mema onchiri mu no akire wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Meso say need you. Over like if you do not down post subscribe button so click the verification icon for latest updates. Now better wadwen de amame ewo comment section. Meso so ba so no share before so enya bi ahwe. Na enra ana bro that was the demonstration because so ewo Accra. I say a stop Galamsey now demonstration. It was organized by the Freeze the Country activist Ralph the Filiganen eno nuamo. Emma demonstration can I certain because as no media grobi as a adanko dada bi as a concert bi no mo ye ho no mo. What I say? Na demonstration mo no Ralph eka sembia sebi na eye kasatwetwe ema yewura. Na sansma Ralph eka na comedian no so a all this share was on Ralph enya adwen on tias adentina Ralph eka say yewura no say yewura eye ni tipenti all this share ba in fact wa beke kana adwen part Ralph the Filiganen.
We a boy be near fairness Sir Ralph Bino and now we fellas for Sukwache. Now Sir Ralphie so fi se wa for ho and fam Otumfuo so. Na a daw betu nesu kumase no obekire ba bi kro Otumfuo emma etwa concession emma lease emmo bi to illegal mining. Get ready. A daw besi kumase no obekire ba bi a Otumfuo emma lease emma concession emma ye to illegal mining. Tie de yakatro he. We are also a tough guy, but when you're tough, tie de yakano. We are say as we a tough guy because utiri ya fin, who you fin, eti ya say am we a tough guy. And now we are who no sembi. Ja, udru kumase ya bejo, ye the prior ya pragatem. Prior ya the bejo, tie de makatron. So she way and fenipa. So you know the fenipa. Now, oh ya unkwasi ya demonstration. Na end this for who say, dear we any Jimmy Sema to a mama. Otumfuo din na would be dim kwasi asem. Tidia catch wa ban power but what on ho so kumase because unim ya huni say intentional so yenso be intentional ni ya match for boot because more the politics e di nkwase asem oya wa ban ba philosopher so kwache o ye minister otimi commande say nyansem na nyankwase asem na wa ndisi fo afa enka central region e ho na ofi for so kwache ye minister o safri ho enko ba your security no one ko poso every illegal activity in that area. Hwedso na ye nan kwase asem ti no wo de Otumfuo di na ebedi agro ade okrom ohene ni so ohene wo okrom wo se no kram enya adwemfi ni nkwase asem ene wo wafa ade na onfro okrom ohene se on stop central region especially dunkwa ono fen hwedso na ye na sorry a wo de Otumfuo di na edi nkwase asem wo this time around ye hunu se obi obesori bi a wo di nkwase asem bi a ye ndc ni ye hunu mo ya mo apapa wo ho but I'm telling you, I'm promising you say a da obesi kumase will give you a showdown. John Mahama cannot save you. Wa banya papa wa ba unim. Mahama ofo di Otumfuo di nim kwase asem. It is I will say wa banya papa ntem wa ye tofo a. Wo de bra kumase on. Odru ho a show up say una uni na yen hwade. And the point is yantena say emma wo mfa politics kan no. Emfo Otumfuo emfa ni kwase asem because o protest awo ye no Otumfuo di be ye de wo. Okro mo hene ho. Adentina unfro okrom hene say on stop ni krom de. Do obi awie ne ye de nya ya kan ye de. Sa what time we ade enkwase asem say we will give you a showdown now what ho asu e wo santimem what ho asu wo kumase so also you tough guy try that and see medical bu be say enso hie emfanipa enso onwunu ne fanipa nti so also we tough guy we will see because unim e intentional adentina wo your protest send this one fi said you ye ne ya de no man support na say nipa ama Otumfuo di na wo de bedi nkwase asem so Otumfuo ma ema de o ma lease o ma concession that day obekere ye mama catch say enya wo say we tough guy onye tough eye politics and MP for no chance na wo jimi ye Ghana for tie me enya sabeta no odi nkwase asem sa rafo no odi mu asem and we will give him a showdown odi oye bema try in Kumasi ni enhwade so wo ban ba power so Mahama be save we will see useless foolish boy
Ralph for tia say one share kwan your fast ye kire wo Ghana e kire Ghana fo nyina se jomama eni sabi eni pa obetimi stop Galamsey and this for support to sika na say this aba na say usi wuntimi ntake and this for nemum wo di ba Asantehene so kwasia se na Asantehene wo kromwa ana na wo ta KMPP nyaza so no today no pass o kire nti ne de dwoma ama ne nkola na antima stop Galamsey nti udi pressure ne udi blame Asantehene na minister for resource no edi nti na yi ne se we minister for resource ana munya ntiase constitution mu ntiase ana ye ka constitution na ye wo ba bi ohene e wa hwanden wo ene wo ne ye abandia nti ne ye abandia no ohene no onkohonom abandia na wo si wo na watumi so di wa sojafo ni wa policefo ebebo ho ban nti government way o kaso di no krebe ya adwuma Galamsey betima stop no obi nsi Galamsey site biom ba bisa se Galamsey mo amutu Galamsey no eye hwan mo eye ndis fo party chairman fo no ministers no MPs no omu na egu on mo omu sensuo no ba wo so beka ba wo ye wadwen so o tani Ghanaians DS no omu adwene akwa Asantehene so mudie wa wonim no no be wadwen so beja okuro bi ne kwase bi otu okuro mu no e ba be di Otumfuo atam no enye wadwen so besi Kumase enye wadwen da so besi Asante region enye wadwen da sani safata etie no saa na edi bedi mu kwasiafo mo ma metwe baako kwase mprekwe sensua wo beka kire se edi ayi o mprekwe wati nsua ni da kwase
Otumfuo has the power to say nobody should step out, and everybody was in the room. If Otumfuo says enough is enough for Galamsey, something will happen.
Sa Ralph we di anumdwa the way a wugina ho na wudwa wanum no mesi sesi a kokomanhia o de ekoho na o say tutu na piaw o twen ewo manhia mesi koho ne ko ka kire Otumfuo se Otumfuo nana yeslew obetima tro manfo se Galamsey no munya etu koho na ha ya wugina di enko babia wanum dwa MPP wa bam wusa boya ye wani aha wusa boywe ya ena wo ka kire MPP force ye hin tu Galamsey nti Akufuado enso ga Akufuado Galamsey no munjai ena mututugu Ghana fu asuma na mo se ye saasase ena maba ena maba ne ye ka kire mse mahama enso bi Galamsey issue a odi go show Otumfuo odi ekoho mesi komanhia ho no Otumfuo twen Rafo komanhia ho no Otumfuo twen na nenya mekese o twen wo sefa wade srede betu nanim no betie unye serious so sorry ansem bia na woka TikTok na ayefu nsem bia na woka koho na mse mo afiwe 2025 Galamsey ni yehu simu ye bibia fa ho a 2026 yanimu bedi papa yesin ye bejeja mo yenjeja me pese yehu si Galamsey no etu otwa sene mutimi koye Galamsey pure water dinam traffic mutonye no ye de yenye pure water ye be yan vortic one ye de a chef free mama na cool aya bedina traffic ma beton ezu azan.
One thing, you people should just leave Otumfuo out of mano kwapa and sesebe kasano. I know na modeka. You people, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Edu nanado so dia. Nanado na say, no to Galamsey. Nanado na di na busi amfo nyina akọ Galamsey site do tu. Na do president mama so dia. Ono dia ne dia ye Otumfuo wa hu. Are you want to talk? Blah 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 ya kasa kaka because you car or go bu hospital kwa boy bet you charge nti. You people should mind what you are doing. It's not nice. It's not. And yeah, Dr. Baumia ni we omu yo manu kompanyi. Then Dr. Baumia just said that force better man force with this Galamsey. Now you said mo stop Galamsey na day. Muntu obianko to be hello. Obia to be. That's how most of ya there. You show the anya say no. Inti mun say no. Nanado the task force ko for ko mu didi na tem like are you see, and people are doing as if say Ashanti region kwane to Galamsey no. Are you okay? Hey. Moya say the Ashanti region here to Galamsey course do draw Eastern region, Western region, Bono Nini animal region, and because we Ashanti region. So why? How do you even? What is that? All in the name so your politics. All in the name so your politics. What is that? Which one? I know so you're alive, babe. Alive, babe. Because it's your politics. Brother Mahama, me say are you wenu? And you that yes or no, I should have so muntu zonu say nana. Ana obesha da na brother akoko do was no no. Na mo visu I should have so muntu zonu say nana. Individuals were doing it. Abusia biti mi ko mo from no mutu. Yo, mumma yenja politics no ntu ncha yo. Munship politics unto Chanya Sadia. We will also attack said President Mahama on also near to Galamsey on any new animal in Abusia upon to Galamsey. But the issue is not like that. Who visit President Mahama and New York to Galamsey illegal way? No. Or bet to obey you Sadia too. But the moment of more power until they will I eventually say and too. So you people should be wise. Now individuals are doing it more than the people you think you are accusing or you are pointing at. Nanado when then musi nanado wa papa do ayadio. Mise nanado. Mo nkai na nsu mo beka na se ebi no manya start no. Ebi no manya start. Mo beka na su nanado. Mo beka na su nanado. Until say NDC ni MPP bebo baye bako. I am telling you, say, Galamsey can never be solved. Galamsey, and solve it. And solve it. Because Otumfuo Asantehene no honum no munjaya. Eastern region for to be. Western region for to be. Why for to be? It is so, you can see a giant Ashanti region. Nkaene. And now who feels Otumfuo man and crop for more ban on how to Galamsey illegally. Are you okay? I drink a year, Juma. And so who say baby obey Otumfuo so obey mining or buy legally. Uncle any illegal mining. Uncle it is a baby obey binu or what document proper document I just say as a so mining. Because mining now motion we need it in Ghana. We hear mining in Ghana. But the way individual I fear for be abusiabi ni obia ye binu and then they say yes you. And the mumu use that against Nanado. Hey, you people run that Nanado useless. Missing Yamia also your castle chia mafobika, mubin, muben chiba ketch bako. Yamia also, Minamentas, your Miviasimo, and my dear Bia obey obi, Enyano, Manko, we obey Yetiawa, Enyano, Manko yebi Entiobi. Another name, Dr. Baumia, Musa, one freedom da. And then they are doing so. I'm going to call two for some. Munyi start some from Manum. Munyi free her cry. Munyi free her. But until say NDC and MPP will come together, I swear, illegal mining can never be solved. Anthony solve it. Until I say NDC will go back and give credit to MPP. Say, oh MPP for my idea. No ma basu kakra. Na media na can say NDC wahu. They said they muna mo MPP abasu. Now, so much okay, we are coming to join hands with you and fight the illegal mining. And yes, Sadia, forget it, illegal mining can never be solved in Ghana here. Muntu majumu, na munyima no free ho baby amodi ba no kono to for like the munyi free on kra, munyi free on mumbu ade buo na mkola nkitikiti mumbu ade mo so mo kasa gbagbagbagbagbagbagbagbagbagba mo pe e mo chire bi. Ghana is the very funniest country ever. Messi country be ama who say omo who pa Ghana. Say there adruma ama so there Otumfuo di na mabebo. You people should leave that thing. Sa rough no jai sa bob tobo no jai no ton chai. Okay? Jai no ton chai. Say they are group President Mahama so now we say Otumfuo Asantehene. Then you are very severe with the team bet. Let me that's reality. Huh? Say Adro Bisun, when Nanadu was in power, you were attacking Nanadu roughly. You were saying all sort of things. You never thought of it, say it will reach someone's turn. That's what I'm saying. When people are doing dirty politics, you don't reason before you say it. A lot of people don't even reason before they talk. Dirty politics because you want power until you be nyema. I think any man position one. Man position. Mumpe position me man. Ade mo bet me the rich hospital the amano. Rich hospital manager, the controller of rich hospital. Mumpe hon mano. Never leave Otumfuo out of your mouth. You are doing dirty politics. This dirty. Sure, Galamsey fighting. It is not about you. Say abai bia manya abai bia agina so no say me de menkwa beto ho. Number bombardier Sizik Galamsey, and he was doing it perfectly. And you people said, for excavators and you were going against that thing instead of you coping up. In fact, I'll bring solution to all this. Instead of you coping up, being together, and solve this amicably, you people were there. And that's my loss in my voice, kaka. You people were there doing dirty politics. I am not for or against whatever that is going on, but I want reality. So if NDC will reason, or if they will come back to what Nanadu was doing previously and involve the MPP, this Galamsey will solve. But because some dirty things, they don't even know how to even start it. Because one of our say and I know NDC will want to be in power for the next 8 years again. So seizing this opportunity, some papa. So the only thing Mimi says is if we are all coming together as Ghanaians, not NDC or MPP, we can solve this problem. And it's involved the NDC and MPP. One thing, you people should just leave Otumfuo out of you people, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Nanado so dia. Nanado na say, no to Galamsey. Nanado na di na busi amfo nyina akọ Galamsey site do tu. Na do President Mahama so dia. Ono dia de dia Otumfuo wa hu. You are sick in the head. You are sick in the head. Some of you. Just say you people, you just want to talk. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, because you car or hospital you people should mind what you are doing. It's not nice. It's not. And yeah, Dr. Baumi anywhere. Then Dr. Baumi just said that force a better man for with this Galamsey. Now you said most topic Galamsey na day. Muntu obianko to be hello. Obianko to be. Obia to be. That's a most of here there. You show the anya say no. Inti munsano. Na ni oba oye ma muse mompe. Na they say yeah ko ye. Obiantu Galamsey munsa isuo no. Ni ya pani anya. Ai. Say muntu nsano. Because what? Nanado the task force ko work or mu didi na some like are you See, and people are doing as if say Ashanti region kwani to Galamsey no. Are you okay? Hey. Moya say the Ashanti region to Galamsey e course do Eastern region, Western region, Bono ni animal region, and because we Ashanti region. So how do you even what is that? All in the name so your politics. All in the name of Muya politics. What is that? Which one is, I know so you're alive, babe. Alive, babe.
What's a Ghana if I were rough now when I'm Ghana now? Would wouldn't answer. What do you know about one Safonia with Jim Ghana? Party now, Johnson, and Ben over 2 for no Jimmy Watty. What's it there? What's this as I go to work? I say, as I'm the phone number more dire. One can't tell more more to Galamsey woman, would chastity. But to pass no 2 for a number say. Maybe so. Quasi Biba, no 2 for a hotel man. Maybe so. And soon as I Ghana, but Galamsey soon as I say no. Don't send it as Central region. Western region is Central region, it's region in Sudan. What my coach, Chabino, not Chabino to Galamsey, what after I get Chabino or get some to Galamsey. A Bubiba, Union song, Nipo, one children song. What of a menu or 2 for the room? And moi. What was simply no 2 for 2 or 2 for the Castle to Galamsey. I know 2 for what? Wouldn't 2 for that or Ghana. What's what would drive back? Crossing.
Ebusia for me nua bema Ralph the fellow Ghanaians aye video bi na mo me ko he video no mra ye ba mo accept ketwa bi ka
They are not. If Otumfuo has the power to say no one is to step out, and everybody was in the room. If Otumfuo says enough is enough with Galamsey, something will happen. That is a step. That alone is a sign. That alone is a sign that the traditional leader.
Small video na Ralph aye no. Ralph baby obi anya mi hira o. Na on to nkwam. Me who you tell mo dwuna man ho no person man ni ye ya. I always admire them and I wish we all can make it together. Ralph asma kan na no kre Otumfuo nua ba wu ye no. Mira otekokko so say tu nyame kese. Nyame hira bia obi a me bo odin a ma bo mu ase. No kre ka say obi ni nua ba wu kwesie ni tim obi a mie store no ye de ani die ma no. Ampa. But I no ntre say Mira say tu ka say obi anya Galamsey ya the whole Ghana obi abejai. Mira say tutu nko antimi en stop Galamsey. De enti a wontimi no na me be kire omu yi. Tie ni e. Aya na ebo Galamsey so obi a de na dwen ba Ashanti region say da Abraham kwan de tu Galamsey. Ashanti region ho. Se wuche mu 10 a aye 3/10 like 3/10 na omude ya Galamsey wa Ashanti region ha. So for Ashanti region kakrakari nya na chem 10 a ubeyi miensa pe na afri momo de Galamsey 7 na akani nya Galamsey nko so baby a omo ya Galamsey wa Ashanti region ha ye ofin so achi ho ba befa nyina hini kwam ho manso mpatoam manso kani agone na sefo eho eba ba besi oboase enkwantia ho eba besi sa oboase enkwantia ho no eho pe ena omo ya Galamsey eba besi yemfa ne se sa Asoka Junction area ho ekwa head towards Dunkwa no baby omo ye Galamsey ne no anu no sa oboase wurem ho abefa manso kani ago manso nsia na manso agresum eba besi mpatu mbesi nyina hini ekwan mo ho aba besi offense akiri ho no asa efri adwoso bo nwire ni nasefo ba besi ebomfa junction Galamsey ni ho ena Konongo some part of Konongo so omo ye Galamsey asa so what Ashanti region mu 10 a baby omo ye Galamsey no 3 out of 10. Baby omo ye Galamsey pa o Ghana ha no eye ufri dunkwa onofin ufri dunkwa ofin ekọ na nanko anko nsia saa kuro no body bepo bogoso pristia takwa eho nyina nso e western region elubo incheda de so eho nyina e western region and as the same say matese somewhere around Domahinkro achi ho baby onso me Galamsey eju be so kirem se miro opemso so kasa sam kofo we nyina Galamsey ya ombejai opemso kasa Ashanti region penity meaning say bi o ha kan people listen but when it comes to Galamsey omo abejo omo abeka kire se hwanya ni diem anya na asase ya in 20 member commands and I tell you it will never happen omo mpene Galamsey ne kan sa esirem nyina Galamsey oho esirem ono so Otumfuo ene hwe ho you see ya kan asem bi ho a ya mo hwe how I besi address your issues Otumfuo ntimi mfira sentiment ko kan che mo Galamsey abra esoro ho no so ahemfo ho esoro parliament chiefs no ebi ho ana ebi ni ho western region ahemfo ni ho enti se yakasa Galamsey amunya se mudi mani asi Otumfuo se Otumfuo nko ha na betimi the Galamsey no abai we enyo no. Moreover, enyo Otumfuo na issue license for Galamsey. A Minerals Commission, Minister for Mining and whatever, Environmental Protection Agencies. If you are to tackle Galamsey, some ofui omo na for licenses. Some fan small scale mining. And then people go in for the small scale mining certificate and license and they come and do Galamsey with it. It will surprise you. More mining companies they are having the license as small scale miners, but they are doing Galamsey, alluvial mining and the rest. In your rough, but on this issue, come again. Because Otumfuo single-handedly ain't means to put Galamsey. There is no chamber in Penyah I am a Galamsey license. So Otumfuo sorry say CA and what tax force after metro for good room so more Galamsey for now. You will see people come and criticize him. So the Ghana are sending them. Now say ya and I am a phone in the bedding come where say a man for some months says I don't know 2 phone kwa bosia. Now ni ha. Now ni kroma. Otumfuo kwa o. Oni I am a phone nya nkita hodie kakra bi no. No mo ba she ni sa de no kwa person tin who free Ghana muntina wakọ IMF. Eduru baabi a na mahunu say oyo hene. Eduru baabi so de ampese mo de nanim twitwi form ye ntwe. Say yenye din biom. We have kept quiet and people are just disrespecting the man. And ahemfo no mo so be sori aboa. Ame ehun say what people are saying is not true no. Sa ahemfo nketenkete na di akire ni bi. And also, allegedly, let me choose my words right. Amodens has cinema Galamsey. Etimpacho, Mr. Raf. Oh, Probia attacking the passer Galamsey. I will not talk about the president. I will not talk about Minano 2482. I will tell you to tackle Minerals Commission, Environmental Protection Agencies, and the Minister for Mining and Natural Resources. These people are responsible for all the licenses going out for Galamsey, and they are the ones to be held responsible. I'm begging you. Be powasem. Into assembly, thought I can say the here. Thought that me come akuma so asem mami. This is not a matter of coming to insult you. No, I would never do that. Never will I pick a phone and insult anybody, even if the person comes after me. But I thought that no crane baby done. We am fan to baby done. What I say? Otumfuo single-handedly can never stop Galamsey. And it's a person be stop Galamsey there. I was buying no mum. I know Mujai licenses also small scale miners no. Or Mujai silences no more mom. No more this licenses now they come and then do Galamsey with it. Apart from Obuasi mines, Penyah mines, Konongwe Bremho mines no. And mines be a minimum or a kwemo sefi Krubo or Kunkumsu area ho. Apart from some mining, there are so many people more mining licenses and so more mines in a way. It's Mr. This issue now they go for Otumfuo no pacho. Menka say it's a no-go area after all, any part. But address your issues well. Know where to target. Maybe I will target, you are hitting the wrong nail. And this your carpentry work you are doing will all fall because the nails are not going to the right joint you should join.
Comment section. I Penyah Block Media.